Have you ever found yourself in a financially tight situation where maybe a sudden car repair, an unexpected medical bill, or you are just needing some quick cash before your next payday? Don't worry, because I've done the research so you do not have to. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing my top emergency loan apps in Nigeria for 2025 that approves loans very fast and they pay you instantly. So if you have ever searched for quick loan apps in Nigeria without stress, this video is for you. So I'll advise you to stick around to the end because I'll also share with you tips on how you can increase your loan chances very quick. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We talk about business ideas, money tips, and the best financial apps in Nigeria for you. So if you're new on my channel, please do well to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell by the side so you do not miss any of my weekly uploads. So what does fast approval really mean? For me, there are three combinations of things I always look out for. One, the easy application process. Like there are some forms that are very tedious. When you're filling those forms, you just get tired. You won't even want to give up on the loan. The second is their instant approval. There are some apps that takes 2-3 days before they approve one loan, and while some within seconds they have approved it. Then the third is their rapid disbursement. After approving the loan, some apps takes time. If you see an app that disburses rapidly, then it is a good one. So remember guys, to do your own research. I always talk about it. Before you do anything or anything financial, please do your own research. I am not a financial advisor. I am a content creator. Please do your own research. I am only bringing this to you so when you want to do your own research, you can be able to narrow your list down and say, okay, yes, I have a little bit of idea about this. I have an idea about this. Let's narrow this list down. So the first up on my list, we have some of the biggest names in the game of loan apps. These apps have been around for a long time and they have a very good reputation and reliability and also speed. The first on my list is FairMoney. So FairMoney is a titan in the digital lending space. They have processed millions of loans and are known for their fast track approval system. This app has a very good rating. Now this app claims to approve loans and disburse loans in less than 5 minutes, and many people have already confessed about this. They also offer loans from as low as 1,500 naira to 3 million naira with a flexible repayment tenure from 1 to 18 months. I know about this. So all you need is to be a Nigerian citizen to be able to apply for a loan from this app. You have to have your BVN and obviously a smartphone because it is an app. They also use your phone data and your credit history to make a decision on your loan approval. I always talk about this. If you are a loaner, if you are someone that takes loan constantly and you do not pay back or you take your time before you pay back, this will affect the way they give you loan, or it will even affect the loan they give to you. For me, I believe that taking loan is based on emergency. If there is a need for that money, I will definitely take loan and then pay back when I have the money. And I will not take a loan that I cannot be able to afford. Before I take up any loan, I will have to think about my pocket at that time, not what is coming in, but what I have presently, so that in case of anything, in case I cannot be able to pay back on time, I will have the money with me. So the second on my list is Carbon. Carbon is formerly known as Pay Later. This app is one of the most popular and trusted loan apps in Nigeria. So with this app, you can borrow up to 1 million naira depending on your credit score, and their approvals are usually very, very fast within minutes. Their key features about this Carbon loan app is that they provide personal loans and also business loans, and their app is also a full digital service bank, so you can handle all your finances in one place. You can receive money, you can send money, you can also invest in their app. This app is also similar to FairMoney. You need to present your BVN and a few personal details. A good credit history will help you get a better chance of getting the loan amount you require. The third on my list is Branch. Branch is another loan app that is known for its user-friendly interface, and they do not collect any collateral. And this app is also super straightforward. If you are the kind of person that does not like stress, the app uses your smartphone data to determine your eligibility, which makes the process very quick. And they also offer loans from 2,000 naira to 1 million naira within 24 hours. And all you have to do, or all you need, is just your smartphone, your BVN, and a few questions to get started. And this app offers an emergency loan without requiring a collateral from you or a paperwork. The approval process is automated, and many Nigerians have confirmed that the funds land into their accounts in less than 24 hours, which is a good thing. Now let's look at a few other strong contenders that are also making waves for their speed and convenience. So me, I've I've used quite a number of these apps, so I know. And the next on my list is Palm Credit. I've not really used Palm Credit, but I have read a lot about this loan app. This loan app is known for small, fast loans. So if you need between 2,000 naira to 100,000 naira urgently, this app is a great option, and it's a great option for you. The approvals are very quick and repayment is flexible. The app is also a beginner-friendly app. If this is your first time, or this will be your first time of using this app, it is a very good app. And what you need is a good credit history and obviously your BVN before you can get started with this loan app. You guys, please, your BVN is very important. So the fifth on my list is Okash. Okash, which is also known as OPay. So this is a legit app. It gives emergency loans and it's very fast. I've used OPay a couple of times, and this loan app, the way you use it, I know there are so many. In fact, all these loan apps disturb you if you don't pay back. Loan apps are generally going to do that in Nigeria until they build a system whereby they can stop disturbing people, especially like before the tenure runs out for you to be paid. Like before your loan tenure runs out, let's say a week before it runs out, you start calling you all these loan apps. So it is not just OPay, it is not just PalmPay, it is not, all of them will start calling you to disturb you. And also when you want to take up a loan, let's say you are just browsing through the loan platform on their app and they notice that you are trying to take up a loan, you're making your inquiries, you start calling you back to back to make sure you take up that loan. And the moment you take up that loan, 1 week before that loan expires, they will start calling you to stress you. So it is very, no matter how you block them, they will still call you with another number that you have not blocked. So what I'm trying to say is always take what you need, pay back when due, and the more you pay back, the earlier you pay back, the better your credit history. Many of you don't know the importance of credit history. Is when you see or meet an emergency where even your family members will tell you, I don't have money to give you. That's when you will know the importance of credit history. It is, for me, I see it as a discipline, a way to discipline yourself so you don't go beyond. You don't think that, oh, this money is free, let me just take it. No, this money is actually for you to use for an emergency. When I talk about business loans, I talk about the reasons, like there are many reasons why you take up a loan. But as a business owner, I would advise you to take up a loan. If you don't have money and you can be able to take up a loan from a loan company, take that loan. Rather than you using your money from your pocket to start a business, use a loan to start a business. Let that business pay for that loan. Then once that business has finished paying for that loan, you can start making your money from the interest you make. Many people don't understand this concept, but I do, and I love this concept because when you take up a loan for your business, it will make you very, 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 very disciplined, because you know that at the end of the day you have to put your capital and also have to pay back for the loan you used to start that business. So it's a win-win. You're not touching your money in your pocket. You're not going to your bank to collect money. You're not asking your family and friends for money. Like, for me, this is just my own advice. And one thing about OPay is that their interest rates, oh my God, please check before you borrow, so you don't say, because my sister was saying that OPay interest rate is really high. OPay interest rate is really high, just only to find out that she was taking up loan for 3 months. Like, she takes up a loan and automatically that loan is being spread for 3 months, and the higher the month for OPay, the higher you pay. If you're taking a loan and you decide to pay back that same month, your interest rate is going to be lesser than somebody that takes a loan and decides to pay back in 3-4 months. So the higher your loan tenure, the higher the amount. I don't know if you guys get. So that is one of the things with OPay, and their interest rate is a lot. It is a lot. And when I compared OPay interest rates with FairMoney interest rates, it is about like 40,000 naira lesser than, like, FairMoney's interest rate is like over 40,000 naira lesser than OPay. So if you are looking for loan, I would advise you to check between these loan apps, especially the ones that can give you a loan easily, and compare their interest rates. So this platform is built for speed and convenience. It is a collateral-free lending platform that gives you money very quickly. I like their money comes in like seconds. So what you need to be able to apply for a loan from this app, the process is very simple and they require minimal documentation. So a good repayment history can then lead to a larger amount, and that is it. So that is one of the things I love about OPay, aside from their large interest rates. The sixth on my list is FairMoney. This app stands out by offering more substantial loan amounts and larger repayment terms, which in a while maintaining a fast and easy process. So if you are the kind of person that you know that your pocket does not cannot match the way, like you don't understand the way money leaves your pocket, this Rent Money is the app for you. They can give you a loan and then spread that loan for you in a long repayment term. But OPay is like OPay, the higher you take, the higher the repayment tenure. And also for FairMoney, and for me, Palm Credit is just the least of my favorites. It might be your best, but for me, it's the least favorite loan app I know. So Rent Money offers up to 4 million naira and even offer loan without requiring a guarantor from you. Their process is fully online and can be completed very quickly, so you do not have to stress about all those feeling of KYC. Then this app also requires more documentation like proof of income to qualify for a larger loan amount. So if you are a 9 to 5 worker, even as a business owner, there's a way you pay yourself. I'm sure you guys know. So these are the documentation they will require from you. So now, before you rush off to apply for a loan, here are some important things that you need to know. One, always borrow what you can pay back. I have said it. The emergency loans are helpful, but they can also trap you in debt if you don't manage it properly. The next is to check the interest rate and their repayment terms carefully before you accept any loan. It is very important. The third on my list is to make sure that you can comfortably pay back that loan that you want to take over time before it gets a negative impact on your credit score. So you guys remember, loans should solve emergency needs and not create new problems for you. Take only what you need and don't be fast. Like, don't just be oju kokoro. Don't be an oju kokoro when it comes to taking up a loan just because you can be able to receive over 5 million naira, or you are seeing loan tenure of up to 4 million naira, and you want to go and take up the 4 million naira, and you don't know when your next payday is going to come. I would advise you to please take your time. So there you have it, guys. This is our 2025 list of emergency loan apps in Nigeria that approves loans very fast, whether you need a small amount for a sudden car expenses or a large amount for a project. These apps can be your lifesaver. Have you ever tried any of these loan apps that I have mentioned, or is there anyone that you'd recommend me to talk about or make my own research about? Please let me know in the comment section. I have told you guys, or I've given you guys gist of my own experience with my own loan app. So I'm waiting for yours in the comment section. If you have watched to this point, thank you so much. If you're new on my channel and you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to my YouTube channel, click on the bell icon by the side, so whenever I drop a video like this, YouTube will notify you. And while you're at it, guys, please give this video a thumbs up. It really means the world to me when you do that. When I see thumbs up that you guys give to me, it makes me happy and give me that motivation to want to do more research and bring about videos like this for you guys. So have a nice day, guys. Bye.